Step into Rome, Golden Age on Cross Network, a classic MMORPG with a modern twist. Pick your class, explore open worlds, tackle dungeons, join guilds, and experience competitive PvP. Now, the Chrome X Rising, the Golden Age begins. Stream launches a new Crosswave campaign for creators and streamers. This campaign invites players to create contents, stream gameplay, make guides, or share their experience. It's all about amplifying the community and rewarding creators who showcase the game in their own style. The more you create, the more recognition and reward you can earn. Whether you're a streamer, a video maker, or social media creator, share live gameplay or recorded clips, guide new players with tips and strategies, highlight guild events, dungeons, or PvP battles. Participate in challenges organized by Cross and Crosswave. Your content helps the community grow while you earn rewards tied to your contributions. The campaign focuses on community-driven growth. It's not about grinding in-game, it's about storytelling, engagement, and showing your unique perspective. Creators are recognized for quality, creativity, and consistency. Chrome X Rising and the Crosswave content campaign turn ROM Golden Age into a space for creators and players alike. Stream, create, and share your journey, and be part of the Golden Age community.